If you can't decide between a home with a pool or a lake home, then this one will fit both your needs. Situated on Lake Wawasee with 60 feet of channel frontage, take your pick of relaxing in the pool or take a short 5-minute pontoon ride to the main lake. The mostly furnished home is essentially brand new, as it was taken down to the studs in 22, slightly reconfigured and remodeled from the inside out with all new windows, roof, gutters, siding, appliances, plumbing with manabloc system. But the updates and additions don't stop there. Outside, you'll find a vinyl seawall, 2 piers, composite decking, and a 28 by 14 above-ground pool from Olympia Pools with a weatherproof faux stone exterior, lakeside power at the kayak rack, and generator hookup. The great features to this home just keep coming. For even more to do, there's a nearby park as well as a private boat ramp on the main lake with a sandy beach for Enchanted Hills residents only. This home truly is a perfect lake home in a space that you won't need a vacation from. There's no need to choose when you can have it all. Call Candace Everidge to learn more before this perfect lake home sails off into the sunset.